this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the sound not working in eFootball on PC. These solutions can help if the game has no audio, the sound is too low, or the wrong audio device is being used. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu. Type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Then open Sound. In the Playback tab, locate the speakers or headphones you want to use. Select your audio device. Then click on Set Default. Click Apply. Then click OK. Now launch eFootball and check if the sound is working. Solution 2. Go back to the Sound window. Right-click your speakers or headphones. Select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure the volume is not muted or set to the lowest level. Increase the volume if necessary. Click Apply, then click OK. Solution 3. Open the Advanced tab. Under Default Format, select an option that uses either 44.1 kHz or 48 kHz. You may need to test both options to see which one works best. You can also uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply, then click OK. Now launch eFootball again and check the sound. Solution 4. Open the Spatial Sound tab. Set Spatial Sound to Off. Click Apply. Then click OK. Launch the game again and check if the audio is working. Solution 5. Open the Start menu. Type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click the audio device you are using. Select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Wait while Windows searches for and installs the latest available audio driver. Once the process is complete, test the game again. Solution 6. Go back to the Driver Update window. This time, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver from the list. Click Next. Wait for Windows to install the driver. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer to apply the changes. Solution 7. Open the Start menu. Type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card. Select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait while Windows searches for and installs the latest available graphics driver. Once the process is complete, launch eFootball again and test the sound. Solution 8. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu. Type NVIDIA App. Open the NVIDIA app. Go to the Drivers tab. Click on Check for Updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. Once the installation is complete, launch eFootball again and check if the sound problem has been fixed. After completing these solutions, make sure the correct speakers or headphones are connected and selected in Windows. Then launch eFootball and test the audio again. And that is how you can fix the sound not working in eFootball on PC. If this tutorial helped you, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.